Saw that. It's just above the white box with the camera in it.
Perfect, Win.
Yeah.
You're just under, about 6 inches under the target. Roger.
I agree. Does that look like it was just to the left of the jug and under the plate?
Yeah.
I don't know how it would have hit right there because it was, unless it's really that flat shoot.
I'm pretty sure he hit the
That
jug.
jug is draining.
Did he?
Yep. You got what? You got it.
Jug's half full of
Jug's
water.
draining. I think the jug is draining. Yep. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely half full.
That number 7 there, Mike?
Yep.
I'll be down. Well, we'll have to take a look at it, but I think you got it, my friend.
That might have a gold jug. Well, I'll quit at 6 then.
Well, I think we may have a impact here. That is Roger shooting his pistol. Roger, pick up that thing for me. What is that?
It's an XP100 6-man BRX.
BRX, baby. 105 grain Berger.
105 Berger, yep.
Beautiful.
Hybrid.
How fast?
2750.
2750 out of an 18-inch barrel. All right.
Bartlein.
All right, Roger. Congratulations, man.
Thank you very much.
Conquering the 1,200-yard challenge with the 6 BRX pistol. Got something special today. We got our sponsor, Morse Industries. They got these cool CNC machined bipod spikes. So you pop these on your Harris bipod, and you can have a little bit better traction in dirt, gravel, rooftops, whatever.
We appreciate their sponsorship.
Absolutely. You can check them out here on Facebook. So you did an amazing job with the 1,000-yard challenge. You came out here for the 1,200 yard and got it in how many shots?
7.
7 shots. Tell us about your pistol.
Well, it's a highly modified Remington XP100 pistol action. Has a McMillan Benchrest stock, a Jewell Trigger, Bartlein 1-8 twist barrel, Leupold 8.5 to 25 power scope, EGW 20-minute base, Warren rings, and chambered in 6mm BRX, and we shoot a 105 Berger hybrid at 2,750 feet a second. And it shoots really, really well when you put a little Varget behind it and a CCI 450 primer.
Yeah, I mean, 1,000 yard, you shot like an 1.5-inch group, 3-shot group at 1,000.
That's correct.
Just behind the jug. That's incredible. That's incredible. So you shot another group a few weeks ago too that was pretty amazing.
Down in Vernal, Utah, they had a buffalo 1,000-yard dinosaur shoot.
Dinosaur shoot, yeah.
And it took me 2 shots to get the dinosaur.
Hey boys, can I get a check on the 1 blue one?
Will do. Well, very cool, man. Well done. Very well done. Amazing. Dead Air Armament.
Hi, I'm Kelly McMillan.
All right, SHOT Show 2016. We're gonna give it a shot right now.